Hello everyone, today we are going to upgrade this Asus K55 model. We are going to replace the hard drive with an SSD for increased speed, and the old drive is going to go inside this enclosure, and we are going to transform it into a portable backup solution, a backup drive or external drive. And let's start. On this model it's very simple to replace the hard drive. The hard drive is here, and you have to open these two screws here, remove them. Okay, one and the other, the second one, and now you just slide this like that, and now you are going to lift it up, and there you go, you have access to the internals. But before I put my hands here, I'm also going to remove the battery. It's a good idea to actually remove this before starting to disassemble it. Okay, battery is out. Here you can see also the memory slot, and you can insert another memory if you want to, or replace if you have two banks of memory. And to remove the hard drive now, there are two screws here which we are going to take out. And the remaining one. Okay, and we have this pull tab here, but you are not going to pull it up because you are going to break it. You are going to slide it that way because you see you have this space here. So I'm going to pull the tab and slide it just like that, and now I can lift it up, and I need to remove the hard drive from this support. And for that I have these two screws here and another two screws on this side. Very easy to do. And now I can take the hard drive out, and I can install the SSD in its place. And now I'm going to install the SSD in the same support. The holes will match because they are standard. It's good to have a magnetic screwdriver, it helps a lot. But you can do it without one. With a regular one, it's not such a big con, but it helps a lot to put the screws back faster. Alright, and now I'm going to put this on this position. It has also some, you can see here some notches, and it has here some spaces where the notches will go in. And after that, you also need to push this tab first like that, then the notches go down, and then with the help of this tab you are going to slide it into position, and now it's locked there, and I can put the screws back that hold it in place. On this one you have you may be tempted to put a third screw here because you have one here, and one here. This one is actually the one that comes from the casing here, so you don't put a screw there because you are not going to be able to put the cap back. The screws from the hard drive support and on this cover are of the same size, so there is no problem if you mix them up on this model. Alright, so the hard drive is installed. Now I can put the cover back, put it like this, then slide it. It's in position, and now I'm going to replace the screws. And now we are going to transform this into a portable USB drive with this external enclosure. You can see also this in a review somewhere here probably. I have did some speed testing on it. It's very good, a very fast USB interface, so if you have a good drive, this works very nice, and you can use it also to make an external SSD drive and it will work very good. And it's very easy to use, no need for screws. You have a clasp here and you open it up, then you are going to install the drive and it slides in just like that and it's installed. It has a very nice silicone protection, not only around here making it waterproof, but also on the underside of the hard drive, protecting it from vibrations. And you have these foam pads, and with this hard drive I'm going to use the thinner one, and the thicker one is good for using it on SSD drives, which are usually thinner. You need to take this out with caution because it's very fragile. I don't want to cut it, nor I want to break it when I try to open the bag. Alright, and this one will stay here. Okay, and this will keep the drive from rattling. And I have my USB drive now, and of course the provided USB cable. And that's how you upgrade the hard drive and also obtain a portable backup drive for your Asus K55 notebook. Until my next video, see you and bye bye.